Very good morning to all. I am Akhilesh Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SIIT Bhopal. Today we will study about the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is a core subject of civil engineering. According to RGPB syllabus, fluid mechanics is a subject of fifth semester, and the code of fluid mechanics is CE 501. Before we study about the fluid mechanics, the first question is arised: what is fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is the branch of physics concerned with the mechanics of fluid and the force on them. Fluid mechanics is essentially the study of fluid either in motion, that is fluid in dynamic mode, or at rest, that is fluid in stationary mode. It has application in a wide range of disciplines, including civil, mechanical, chemical, and biomedical engineering also. Before we discuss about the syllabus of fluid mechanics, we discuss about the scheme. According to RGPB scheme, the total weightage of this subject is 150 marks, and it is divided into two parts. First part is theoretical part, and second is practical part. In theoretical part, it is covered 100 marks, and rest 50 marks is covered by practical part. The end same exam is 70 marks, and the end same practical exam is 30 marks. This is the course content of fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics, whole syllabus of fluid mechanics is divided into 5 units. In first unit, we study about the review of fluid properties, and in second unit, we study about the kinematics of flow, and the same unit third, dynamics of flow. In unit 4, laminar flow, and last unit 5th, we study about the dimensional analysis and turbulent flow. In first unit, review of fluid properties. In review of fluid properties, we study about the different measurements units in fluid mechanics, which is used in fluid mechanics, and different types of properties of fluids like mass, density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity, surface tension, capillarity, viscosity, bulk modulus of elasticity, pressure, and vapor pressure. We also study about the different types of about the pressures at a point, pressure variation in static fluids, absolute and gauge pressures, manometers, forces on planes and curved surfaces, and different types of problems which is included in pressure forces. In second unit, we study about the kinematics of flow. Kinematics of flow means the flow is in motion condition. In this unit, we study about the different types of fluids like real fluid, ideal fluids, steady, unsteady, uniform, non-uniform, one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional fluids, and different types of lines, path lines of fluid like streamlines, streak lines, and stream tubes. We also study about the continuity equation for one and three-dimensional flow, and also study about the rotational flow, circulation, stagnation point, separation of flow, sources and sinks, velocity potential, stream functions, flow nets and their utility, and methods of drawing of flow nets. In third unit, we study about the dynamics of flow. Dynamics of flow means the flow is in motion condition. Okay. In, in this unit, we study about the Euler's equation of motion along a streamline and uh, derivation of Bernoulli equations. We also study about the applications of Bernoulli equations and energy correction factors, linear momentum equation for steady flow. Momentum correction factors also study in this unit. We also study about the different types of velocity measurement devices like pitot tube, pendle tube, current meters, etc. We also study about the different types of other other parameters, parameters like orifice, nozzle, mouthpiece, orifice meter, nozzle meter, venturi meter, bears, and notches. In fourth unit, we study about the laminar flow. In laminar flow, we study about the introduction of laminar flow, Reynolds experiments, and Reynolds numbers. and also study about the relation between shear and pressure gradient in laminar flow through circular pipes, laminar flow between parallel plates, laminar flow through porous media, and Stokes law. In last unit, unit 5th, we study about the dimensional analysis and turbulent flow. In this unit, we study about the dimensional analysis and use of Buckingham pi theorems, introduction to turbulent flow pendule mixing length hypothesis. We study about the flow over smooth and rough surfaces, Darcy-Weisbach resistance equation, variation of friction factor, and Moody's diagram, and also study about the pipe flow problems. So this is the 5 unit which is covered total syllabus of whole syllabus of fluid mechanics. There are some reference books which are useful uh, in fluid mechanics. Some important books we use AK Jain, AK Jain book, and also use RK Bansal and Subramaniam and PN Modi and SM Sets and so on. So there are some books, some reference books which you can use to study fluid mechanics. So thank you so much. I hope you understand the brief discussion, brief introduction of fluid mechanics. In next video lecture, we will discuss or we will study about the first unit. And in first unit, we study about the different types, different properties of fluids, and so on. Thank you so much.